Hello and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? This is going to be the last Will You Press the Button? So yeah, just because, like, I don't play them, like the Press the Buttons, Akinator, all of those jazzes, all of them jazz, I don't play those, games anymore. So I am going like one by one of like all of the free just look up stuff.com's games and playing them to record one last video of the series. So yeah, like yesterday was it was the Pokemon quizzes, but those I'm going to return. That one's just done for now. Until Gen 9 comes out, I'm not gonna use. I'm not gonna go back to it. But yeah, but like since we might get Gen 9, Gen 10, Gen 11, Gen 12, maybe Gen 13, maybe Gen 14. I say those because like all of the fire types are based on the zodiac, the Chinese zodiac. I should specify which zodiac. That's why I said maybe 13 and maybe 14 because there's 12 Chinese zodiacs. So yeah. And today it's Will You Press the Button? Tomorrow I'm not really sure. I think I'm gonna end with Akinator because that is the one that one I put the most time in. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's gonna be like this one, and then Would You Rather, then Akinator. Because tier list I don't really do other than like the tier lists. And those come out whenever they come out. I haven't done a tier list in a long time. So, next one is Would You Rather, and then after that is Akinator. So yeah. So, let's get into this! Instead of me rambling on about my plans for, like, finishing out this week. You're super good looking, and the person you love loves you. There was a damn UPS truck driving, and I had to, like, rev up and make its presence be known. You're super good looking, and the person you love loves you. There should be a back. Can the UPS truck not? Can it shut the hell up? Thank you very much. Oh, loves you too. Okay, never mind. That should be a double O, actually. And asks you to get married. But you're blind and deaf, and you don't know when and where it happens. Shouldn't that be you will get blind and deaf? Or once you're married, you will become blind and deaf? Or you are... No, I'm not. I will not press the button. Crap. Because grammar bad and confusingness. People under 18 are unable to view or use the internet via a psychic barrier, but YouTube comments are still shit. I guess I don't really care. Wow, I thought that would be more 50-50. One wants to pop, but I'm like, and I'm trying to pop it, but it's not popping. I'll pop it later. You can read minds, but you get intense migraines that last days from doing so. I already suffer from migraines, so I'm not gonna do that because I don't want like migraines to last days because of it. You are invisible, but you can't control when. No, because if it's not, like half the fun of powers is like controlling them. Wow, that's really 50-50. But but if I'm not able to control them, it's not as fun. It's more of a burden. So I can't. So let's see. Time Wiener Cable offers 1 tablespoon download, or 1 TBS. I don't know what that is. Download. I don't know why I said tablespoon. Probably just because of the TBS. 1 TBS download speed for free to everyone in the U.S. Blah blah blah. But all their technicians sound like Justin Bieber, and service is free. Granted, you sing "Baby, Baby, Baby" all the way through. Yeah, no. You're extremely rich, but you have no time to spend it, and it doesn't benefit you, only the people around you. Yes, I will gladly press that. Because I don't really care if I get rich. Like, the only reason why I want to get rich and why I want to get popular is so I can help other people. I would spend, like, I would keep some money, but that's just to, like, hey, I need a better mic, or hey, I need a new ring light, or hey, I need a better camera now. Like, only for that, and, like, to keep up with my house and everything, and so on and so on. I'm thinking, like, years in the future, when I have achieved my dream goal. And I'm still working on my channel, but, yeah. Yeah. But, like, I don't really care about being rich and famous. I just, like, the only reason why I want to be famous is so I can just, like, help others and, like, say, hey, this is a small person. Go check them out. They're really cool. And maybe, like, later down the line, I check out the same person and be like, hey, here's a mic, here's a camera, here's how to set this up. Your YouTube channel is better. That type of thing. You're welcome. Yeah, like, or if they're, like, doing YouTube to, like, just as a thing, or if they're, like, doing YouTube just to, like, pass time, I would say, I would be like, alright, what do you need help with? Like, do you need homework studies, or do you need, like, food, or, like, do you need groceries? Like, that type of thing. I don't know. Just help as much as I can, without being creepy. That last part, it clicked me, like, that's a bit creepy. I don't know why I laughed at that. I probably shouldn't have laughed at that. Yeah. Your favorite sports team always make your favorite sports teams always make it to their respective championship game or series in dramatic fashion, but your favorite sports teams always lose the championship in a painful manner. I will not. I am not really into sports. Like, the only 2 sports I would say I am in are ice hockey and lacrosse. Any other sports I'm about. And bowling. Actually, I would say bowling as well. hockey, ice hockey, lacrosse, and bowling. I would say I am in those three. But anything else, I go. I guess. I guess it's cool. Yeah. Cause like football. Oh, they're gonna go tackle. Oh, that guy got tackled. Oh, that guy's broken a leg, and yeah. Like it's just. All right. Next, please. The game doesn't seem to progress. Is what I'm saying. Baseball, I have no idea what's happening. Like, okay, they hit the ball. Okay, and yep, like I get, like my understanding is like little kid understanding. Like, okay, I need to hit the ball, and I need to get a home run so my teammates can get back. Like the point system, I don't get, but yeah. Soccer, I was never really into. I've never really watched it. I'm kinda into it, I guess. But I can only, I'm only into it, with my cousins. Like, I only watch it with my cousins, so other than that, I don't really watch soccer. So yeah. I'm trying to think of other sports. Basketball, I'm like, alright, yep. Okay, let's get this over with. Wrap it up, people. Like, it's just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. NASCAR, there's no gain. Like, there's no real visible gain. And I'm just like, alright, they're racing? But they're not? Also, they're trying to hit each other off? What? Yeah. You can eat, anyway, back to the game. You can eat any sort of food you want with no health benefits, but you can only play and watch television 1 hour per day. I don't think I will. Wow, that's really 50-50. That's weird. But the consequence is really weird. Those things don't go together. You get the ability to see things, but you see hallucinations at night, creepy or nice. At night, creepy or nice. I don't know if I want to press it because it's not saying if I am in control of the power. It gives the presumption that I am in control of the power, but it's not saying I am in control of the power. Sure, why not? You have your own fairy godparents which can grant you any wish, but you cannot have a wish granted that involves people, family, or friends. Your parents always are away from you, and you have a guardian who wants to kill you. No, I will not, because I don't really care about Fairly Odd Parents. Because I know that's what it was going from. The only show from like Butch Hartman that I liked was Danny Phantom. And it was just because, hey, superhero thing. Hey, it's actually a nice superhero thing. Let me watch it. You know what everyone is thinking, but everyone knows you're listening in. No. You have the ability to move things with your mind, but you become blind. Sure, I will take that. That's a common thing in comics. I will gladly take that. If I have things to see, actually, wait. Wait a minute. I did not think about this. I clearly did not think about this. Wait a minute. Oh shit, I done fucked up. Because I can't see what I'm moving. I can only see the mental image of what I'm moving. So I don't know if it's far away from me or really close to me. Ooh! Well, yes, this is the comics. People in the comics know what is around them, but adding a sense of realism? Yeah, no. Become Tumblr famous, but you will have to join the Westboro Baptist Church. What? What? No? That... I have no idea what the Westboro Baptist Church is. And I don't really care about Tumblr famous. I want to be famous on YouTube. I want to be a YouTuber. You become the richest person in the world, but only your family can spend your money. We've been over this. Yada yada. Anything you think of will come to life in your dreams with anything and every powers that you associate with that you can create. Your dreams will always be vivid, but this also applies to anything negative that you can think of. Yes! If I have a positive thinking, most of the time, I can do the world more good than harm. Because I am a more positive outlooker. I would say I am an optimist realist. If that makes sense. Like, I'm a realist, but I'm really on the more optimistic side. So I think I would be doing more good than harm. You become as rich as you want, but you have to eat a dollar bill every 1,000 you spend. No? That's weird. Ah, what the crap? Okay. You have the ability to pause time and move freely, but time will resume at a random point. No. And I said no because that you could do something really weird and it could be like pause. All right, play. What the crap? I just paused. So, consequence outweighed the benefit, the actual ability. You can erase the mind of anyone you choose, but you leave a scar on them. You leave a scar on them whenever you do it, and letting everyone know that you erased their mind. What if I just erase everyone's mind? So everyone just gets a scar. And so they're like, hey, how do I get this scar? Hey, you have this scar. Hey, you have a scar as well. Huh, I don't know what happened. Yes, because I have found a loophole. I don't know when I'm gonna end. I'm probably gonna end it soon. Any girl of your choosing will fall head over heels for you, but they have a disease that forces them to wear adult diapers that you must change daily. No, I will not. You can heal every type of disease from one person, but when you do it, someone else in the world choose. When you do it, someone else in the world, chosen randomly, gets the disease. There needs to be a comma in between here. No. So I won't be doing. That's weird, because, like, I'm helping one person. I'm not, I'm not getting rid of it, which is weird. No, I don't eat Nutella. I'm guessing the 70% eats Nutella. This is probably going to be the, not this one. This will be the last one. Because that last question was way too real. You have an amazing singing voice, but you can only sing opera. No. Eh. Yeah. Okay. No, I want to end on a good question. Actually, you have the most powerful PC. Well, I can't even. Okay. Ah! Go away! Oh! Okay! I probably will not. That's a good question. I will end on that. Yeah, that you get to live in the wonderful wizarding world of Harry Potter, but you're Fred. Spoilers, Fred dies. Or is it George? Shit, I think it's Fred, but it might be George. I can't remember. I can't remember. No. Um. Yeah. I think it's Fred, but it might be George. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, because I do videos kind of like this. Along with other series I have played on the channel. Other series I've played on the channel are, that's the word I was looking for, Minecraft, League of Legends, Akinator, Roller Riot, or Killer Love. And Killer Love. Along with others, but I will leave. But yeah. But with that, I will see you guys in the next issue. See ya!